Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Oma. In this channel, I talk about tech and how to make money online. So if this sounds like something you like, please consider liking and subscribing to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how to prepare your own CV and your own or resume and your own cover letter. To do that, you need this app called Resume Builder. This one, this one there, Resume Builder. This one. Know how this is done. Let's open it. You need to go to the Play Store or your Apple Store and download it. After you downloaded it, then you open it up. See where it says CV or resume. Tap on it. And choose your templates. Which templates do you need or do you want to use? These are the free templates. If you want something more professional than this, then you can consider paying for the paid plan. These ones are the free templates. I haven't paid for anyone yet. You choose your templates, then you come over to personal information. This one here, personal information. Open it up, then you add your picture. If you have any picture that you want to add, you can add it here. And then your surname, your name, your phone number, your email, your address, your job, your date of birth, and your objectives. Then come to the education. I don't know how to do this though. Let me see. This one, education. You open it up and you add your university, your degree, the year, the school, all your degrees, every degree that you acquired from the time you finish your from the time you finish secondary school on your university, your masters, you add it here. After that, add your work experience. Work experience. The places you worked, the jobs that you did, everything that you have done, the year, the position, and then you okay it. I forgot to mention the other one. After you finish putting them, you have to okay it by ticking this one here. This one here. Sorry, I don't know how this one is done, but I'll then do it. And then if you've done any projects or this is the place where you have to add in your projects. Yeah, add your projects here by clicking on the plus button. Yeah. This one here. Tap it. See the company name, project that you start date, end date. After you added that, okay, you clicking on then any other additional information that you have, add it here. You know Microsoft Excel, you know Microsoft, you have administrative management, interpersonal skills, working skills, problem solving skills, type skills, your language, how many languages do you speak, what are your hobbies, your social media profile, add them all there. Then this place where they say available on request. That's where you add your referees. Yeah. And if you have had any awards, if you have any award, put it here. Then you okay it by clicking on the sign. Then for your cover letter, for your cover letter, if you want to add cover letter, click on this place where it says cover letter. This one here. This one. Open it. And then tap on this one. This one here. Tap on it. And include your cover letter. If this is not okay with any of the cover letter that you see, you could choose from templates that are available from here. Click on this place, this envelope here to choose on any available templates. You see here there's the academic advisor, academic coach, academic coordinator, anything at all that you are looking for, anything. If you're looking to be an assistant, a babysitter, a banker, a bank manager, a bartender, bookkeeper, business analyst, anything that you're looking for, any template, you can just choose from any template here. Let's just choose graphic designer template. Let's choose this one. And then you edit it to your taste and what you want to add to it. After you've chosen it, you click here. Good. Then you come here and you edit it to your taste, and then you add your name, your full name here in footer. After you're done editing cover letter, you go back here to add your signature. Here. And then you tap on this one, click on it, and you add your signature. Then you save it here. Save. Your signature is saved. Then you go back. After you finish all these things, and you want to review your templates, you want to review your CV, you can just click on that this place that has this pink eye. See, it's generating our resume. Let's give it some time to generate. It's almost done. Okay, our resume has been generated. I don't know if you can see it. It's the right top is very tiny. Let me increase the font so that you can see what is there. Let's give it some time to load. It's taking time. I'm not using internet though. I'm doing it offline. That's the advantage of this. You can do everything offline. After you're done, be offline. Um, doing your thing offline. Then you can now add your. You can now turn on your data to download it. I don't know why it's taking time. Is it because I touched here? Okay, let's send it back to the way it was before. I think it's because I touched it. Let's see. Okay, it's back. The font is a little visible now. Can you see it? This is your cover letter. This one is your cover letter, and this is your resume. The template I chose is the one without a picture, but you want something that has photos. You can choose the one with pictures. There are so many resumes here that have pictures. I like this one. I always like this template. Let me show you. There's no opening. I'm using internet. It should show now. Okay, this is it. So if you have your you if you had uploaded a picture while you were preparing the CV, your picture would show here. But we did not add any picture. That's why we don't have any pictures for now. Can you see it? So after you're done with all these things, after you added all these things to your resume, now click on this place here, this pink arrow here to download it. You see, I'm using internet connection, so I'll be able to download it. But you see this place here, this place, you click on this place, you can save it as a PDF in your phone. Then if you click on this second one, this one, you can download it to the app, the Redmi Builder app, not to your phone, to the Redmi Builder app. So I'll always advise you go for this one. Click on this one to download this as a PDF file. But if you're on the free plan, you cannot just download it like that. So let me show you. Can you see buy for $2 or free unlock? You go for the free unlock. You're on the free plan, you just click on the free unlock. If you have your internet connection, it will show you to show you 3 ads. You have to watch 3 ads. After you watch the 3 ads, you can now download the resume, the CV, or the CV and the cover letter to your phone. Let's go back to um first page. But you just want to do like a cover letter or resignation letter, or you want to do a promotion letter. There are 20, there are plenty templates for resignation if you want to resign from your old job. See, there are many templates here. Or if you want to do a promotion letter, maybe you're due for promotion and they're not promoting you, they're not doing anything. You can just write them a letter. Look, these are main templates that you can use. Then for your CV, for your cover letter, you just want to do cover letter. Maybe you don't want to do any CV, you just want a cover letter. You can just come here through your templates. Let's say I want to do, let me see. Let's say I want to do a call letter for an event manager. You can come here after I've okayed this event cover letter. I'll preview it. After I've reviewed it, I'll click on this where it is download. Here, click on this place. Where it is download. Click on it. Since it's cover letter, you can just use the name. Cover letter. Okay, see, that's downloaded. If you want to share it, you want to print it out, anything you want to do with it, you can do it here. Now in your phone, your downloads. So that's all for today. Please consider liking and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Help this video. Bless you.